Hello, I'm Ben Stanley. I'm one of the trainers and a director here at Trilby Multimedia in Birmingham, UK. Trilby are one of the most respected UK training companies with a focus on education and especially talent building within teachers. And as a company, we deliver to around about 450 schools a year, having interactions with over about 5,000 teachers, mainly in the UK, but also in some European countries. Personally, my focus is on working with senior teams and heads of department, providing training for those guys, and also to help create strategy and forward planning. And I find being involved at an early stage in a school, helping them transform how they use technology is a really rewarding process. And it's especially important as a good amount of change is involved, which needs to be led and supported by management. I'm also involved in developing skills with new teachers, and I frequently talk at initial teacher training events. I've recently worked in Milton Keynes with teachers, looking at putting the new computing curriculum into action. And these face-to-face sessions have been supported with a Google community where we've been sharing and exploring best practice. I'm currently delivering Google's transformational planning course all over the UK, and I've got a busy training term ahead. In this video, I'm going to show you how Google Forms can help you quickly capture information from your students, colleagues, and the wider school community. To get started, go to your Google Drive and click New, More, and choose Google Forms. A new tab will open and an untitled form will be created. There isn't enough time in this short demo to cover all of the options available, but I'll go over a few of the main ones to get you started. Your first option in Form Settings means you can restrict access to the form to users inside your school. By leaving this box checked, the form can only be filled in by people inside your organisation. If you wanted to survey parents, for example, you'll need to uncheck this. When creating a student form, I find it useful to also check this box, which will, as it says, automatically collect the student's username, meaning one less thing for them to fill in. Let's give the form a title, just click and enter the text here. A multiple choice question has been created to start. I can change it here to any of the question types, such as text, choose from a list, and scale, which is what I'll pick now. And I'll make this a required question so students have to answer it. I can now use this menu to add the next question. When I have finished entering questions, I'll click Done. To make my survey look a bit more interesting, I can add a theme by clicking Change Theme. As well as choosing a built-in theme, I can click Customize to add a school logo and change the font if I want to. Now my form is built, I need to send it to my students. I'll do this by clicking on Send Form. I can copy and paste the link from here, or I can send the form via email to students or groups. It's a few days later and students have been filling in my survey, so I'd like to see the results. In my Google Drive, I've looked for and found the lunchtime survey form. When I open it up, notice at the top I can see I've had 34 responses. From this menu, I can quickly see the results in a spreadsheet format, but I can also get a summary of responses, which will show me a nice graphical view. I hope you found this quick overview of Google Forms useful. For more, check out the Google Forms introduction on the Google for Education website.